In this video, I'll show you how to find newly launched tokens on Moonshot. It's going to be a step-by-step basic tutorial video. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Dexscreener, right? These are Dexscreener right now. And for you to be able to find newly launched tokens on Moonshot, you're going to see from this display tab, I'm going to click on this Moonshot, right? Once you click on it, you'll be able to see a whole lot of tokens on different tabs, right? This is a trending tab. This is a top tab, right? This, like this, all of them, right? So just click on this new. Once I've clicked on this new, you're gonna be able to find the newly launched tokens right here. So from here, you're gonna see every new token, right? So this is the first one, second one, third one, right? These, all of them. So this is how you can find newly launched tokens on Moonshot by Dexscreener. If you found it really helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I really appreciate it. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.